guys, today we're gonna do the How Long Can You Breathe challenge. I'm gonna get a stopwatch from my phone, and I'm gonna start it and gonna stop it if I can't hold it anymore. Let's start. Wait. 1, 2. Let's do the How Long Can You Breathe challenge. 1, 2, 3, go. I did it for 49 seconds, which sucks. It should be for 50. But sorry guys, I can't hold it. But it's okay because I did it for 49 seconds and it's just okay. Okay guys, you can try this at home at your home because this is really fun. Bye guys, and please subscribe my channel or die.